Now let's quickly understand what is sales promotion all about. See, this is a kind of short-term incentives which are designed to encourage the buyers to immediately purchase a product or service. Okay, so when I'm saying, like, let's say I give you an incentive, if you buy, this is the discount you are going to get. So I'm promoting the product and I'm making you or inducing you to buy on a very immediate basis. Now, sales promotion activity would include offering cash discounts. So you would have seen, especially just before the season starts, that is the festival season starts in India, let's say from August to December. Just before that, many companies come up with this cash discount and sale contest, wherein they will offer you the discounts at a very high rate and ask you to purchase the goods. The reason being because they want to clear the old stock. Okay, so free gifts offer, free sample distribution, these are all techniques of sales promotion. Now remember, it is generally taken to supplement other promotional efforts such as personal selling and advertisements. So whenever I am doing sales promotion, it doesn't mean I have stopped advertisement or personal selling. I'll continue doing that, but apart from that, to improve my sales or increase my sales on an immediate basis, I will resort to sales promotion. Okay, what are the merits out here? It provides attention value. So because I'm giving a sample, let's say everyone gets in a Sunday newspaper a sample of the shampoo I'm selling. So now even the people who have not used it would get a sample. So it might happen that there's a attention because it's being driven out there on the product due to this sample which is being received by them. They might use it and they might become the buyers. Okay, this is very useful in new product launch. Generally what happens, the public is very scared of using any new product which comes to the market. See, there are two type of customers who don't really give a damn and they will go ahead and buy the new product and experiment with it. But then there are people who would not do so. They require that the goodwill has to be built, the trust has to be there, and only then they will try the product. So sales promotion helps in launching a new product because on an immediate basis it is available to be tried. If I'm giving as a sample, if I'm giving a, let's say, cash discount, then what happens, because it's cheaper compared to the similar kind of products of the competitors, I might be encouraged to buy it. I might feel that yes, let me try it, it's so cheap. Or let's say if it is giving like a free gift order wherein there is a free gift if I buy the product, so even that would act as an incentive for me to buy. Okay, what are the limitations? Generally sales promotion reflects crisis. So people start thinking that the company is really desperate for the sales, so there is some kind of issue in the company, or maybe the product is not getting sold in the market. So that thinking can be some point which can work against you. It spoils the product image. Too much of sales promotion always ends up in spoiling the product image, because people keep thinking that yes, the freebies are being given on regular basis, the discounts are given on regular basis, then something is really wrong out there, and hence they would keep thinking whether the product is good enough or not, and the goodwill of the product gets affected. Now let's quickly see what are the common techniques which are used when it comes to sales promotion. Now rebate, discount, you already know, wherein we provide a discount when we say that this is the price or this is the MRP and I am giving a discount of 10%. I am going to repay you once you buy the product this much of amount. Okay, refunds, wherein you are, let's say, the best example here would be that wallet example. We all have those electronic wallets which we have in the phone. Okay, so now what happens there, they give you a refund, like once you do a transaction through them, so they will say we will give you a cash back, so they'll refund the amount to a certain extent. So that's a sales promotion technique. Product combinations, which I explained you go and buy one product and then a sample of other product is being attached, or other product in a smaller quantities attached with it, so that you can use it. So that's a way of sales promotion. Now quantity gifts, so wherein we give the consumer, let's say if he's buying 450 grams of a particular powder, that is washing powder. So here in quantity gifts, I will tell him that if you buy this pouch, you will get extra quantity. So let's say 50 grams extra. So you'll get 500 grams of washing powder if you at the price of 450 grams. Instant draws, assigned gifts. So you would have seen those wherein the moment you open a soft drinks knob, okay, the cap which is there on the bottles, and then if you see there would be a gift assigned. So whatever is written on that gift has to be given to you by the retailer. Lucky draw, you can participate in their contest wherein a person who is, the draw is there, a lucky draw wherein the person who wins that will get a very good price, exorbitant price, for example a car or maybe a holiday, etc. Usable benefit, so that's again one kind of sales promotion wherein you get a benefit of using it in a more better manner. Full finance, wherein you are giving the product, you're financing or giving them the EMIs, but there is no interest cost. Then again samples I already explained you. So these are the techniques of sales promotion.